is up, everybody? It's your girl Lesley from likelesley.com. Welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, welcome. If you have, thank you so much for subscribing and for following me on this beautiful journey on YouTube. Journaling is key. Journaling is key. Reflecting on your life is so important for your own personal growth. And that's why today's video, I'm sharing with you a special little box that I got from Please.Notes. So this is called the Hustle Kit, and inside it contains amazing goodies filled with affirmations and basically everything inspiring that will help you grow and help you create a life that you love. So let's get started. I'm sharing this with you because I want to provide some sort of value to your life, as well as my own, right? So we're on this journey together alongside each other. Without further ado, the Hustle Kit. So first thing, it's time to get your hustle up. So this kind of just goes over everything that's inside the Hustle Kit. So first we've got the decal. This is called the mirror decal. You stick it on your mirror, and each one is different for each box that you get. So this one for me says, "Let's do this," which is really good. I can stick it on the mirror before I'm leaving, and I'll see it in the corner, and it'll kind of just give me that like extra boost for the day. So I love this, and it's gold. So cute. I'm gonna share this beautiful journal with you last. So stay tuned, because it's filled with like amazing gems. Now we've got the label of love. So mine says abundance on it, but there are others. And this you can stick on anything really. If you have a clear glass water bottle, which I have so many of, I love water. So I would stick this on the outside of one, and it's double-sided. Every time you drink it, you'll have a nice affirmation. So this other side says, "I am abundant in all areas of my life." So nice and inspiring. Then we have 3 sticky notes to go with the journal. I am ambitious and abundant, and I only manifest greatness in my life. Can we repeat that? I only manifest greatness in my life. That's a powerful sentence in its own. So we've got the 3 sticky pads in those cute colors. Then I think the one piece to tie everything together is the bee pen. I am choosing to be. I don't know if you guys can see it. Obviously, this is to pair up with this beautiful journal. This journal is such an amazing quality. First of all, the leather is really nice. It's got a cute little pen holder right there, so you can stick the pen in and you don't lose it, because let me tell you how many times I've lost my pen in my purse because I just typically throw all my journals in there. My friends know I am a journal hoarder. Best present you could possibly ever give me is a journal. It's perfect for experienced and novice journalers. And the Please.Notes journals also includes the journal juice workbook to give you the juice to get started. Now, I know you guys are all wondering what that is, so let's get to it. So journal juice is literally right at the beginning. Journaling can be a great process for connecting with yourself, your goals, and your dreams. Like I mentioned before, journaling is key to life. Many successful people throughout history have used journaling, and for a good reason. Writing out your thoughts, challenges, and feelings allows your left brain to be occupied, so the creativity in your right brain is able to flow and create solutions. It's actually been shown that journaling even has a positive impact on your immune system. Okay, so that's a little snippet of what this is all about. It goes through different sections to kind of get you flowing into what journaling is all about. If you've never journaled before, this is perfect. If you have journaled before, this is still perfect. First section is I love myself. What do you love about yourself? From the beginning things, the small things, to the secret things. I am grateful for current life inventory, ideal life inventory, and it just keeps on going with different things to get your brain started and your hand moving on that piece of paper. So this book, and it's just such a good quality. So I'm just gonna flip it to a random page and read you one of the quotes that are at the bottom. Sometimes it's the journey that teaches you a lot about your destination. Drake. I highly suggest you guys all go pick out this beautiful hustle kit from Please.Notes. I will leave all of the information in the description box below. If you haven't started journaling, go start now. Even if it's on like a random piece of paper, you don't actually have to journal in a journal. If you want to journal in your notepad, on your phone, do that. But anything to get that stress and anxiety out of your body and onto a piece of paper to make things more tangible. Anything to, if your brain is all over the place and you can't focus on something, just go and write it all out, and then you can organize your ideas and your thoughts and make things more clear. Clarity is everything to continuing on a smooth path. So on that note, I will see you all in the next video. Please go check out Please.Notes stuff. You can also purchase everything separately as well. You don't necessarily have to buy the hustle kit, but it comes with everything, and as I showed you already, they are just so fulfilling to read and very inspirational. And if you need that extra boost every single day, like, this is perfect for you. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I provided some sort of value to your life in this. And let me know if you have any video suggestions, any feedback, anything like that. I am open to hearing everything. See you later.